Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic topic lined up for you. We're diving deep into the art of effective communication. Whether you're at work, with friends, or in your personal relationships, the ability to communicate effectively is a superpower. In this video, we'll explore some timeless principles that can transform the way you interact with others. Have you ever wondered why some people can easily connect with others? The answer lies in effective communication. At the heart of this is the power of authentic interest. It's not just about pretending to be interested in what the other person is saying. No, it's about genuinely caring, about being intrigued by their thoughts, their experiences, their perspectives. It's about asking insightful questions that show you're not just hearing them, you're listening. When you show authentic interest, you're not just passively absorbing information. You're actively engaging, creating a dialogue that's both meaningful and memorable. And here's the great part. The more interested you are in others, the more interested they become in you. It's a virtuous cycle that fosters stronger connections, deeper relationships, and ultimately, better communication. By showing authentic interest, you position yourself as a thoughtful and engaging communicator. This is the first step in mastering the art of effective communication and becoming a social magnet. Moving on to our second point, never underestimate the power of sincere compliments. Compliments are like little gifts of love. They don't have to be extravagant or dramatic, but they have to be genuine. They can instantly brighten someone's day, bring a smile to their face, and open doors to deeper conversations. Now, it's essential to differentiate between flattery and sincere compliments. Flattery tends to be superficial, often exaggerated, and usually has a hidden agenda. On the other hand, sincere compliments come from a place of genuine appreciation and respect. They're specific, personal, and honest. For example, instead of saying you're great at your job, you might say, I was really impressed with how you handled that client meeting. Your ability to stay calm and collected, even when faced with difficult questions, is truly commendable. Remember, a well-placed and sincere compliment can be a powerful tool in your communication arsenal. Next, we delve into the importance of remembering and using people's names. It's a small detail, but it can make a vast difference in your interactions. When you call someone by their name, you're acknowledging their individuality, making them feel seen, valued, and respected. It's like music to their ears, the sweetest sound they can hear. So how can you get better at remembering names? Here's a tip. When you meet someone new, repeat their name during your conversation. For example, it's nice to meet you, John. Moreover, try to associate their name with something memorable, like their profession or a distinctive feature. This will help cement the name in your memory. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these strategies, the better you'll get. A person's name is the sweetest sound to them. Use it wisely and watch your communication skills soar. Now let's turn our attention to an often overlooked aspect of communication: active listening. This is so much more than just letting words flow into your ears. It's about truly understanding and interpreting the message being conveyed. Active listening involves absorbing, reflecting, and responding to what the other person is saying. It's not merely about waiting for your turn to speak, but rather it's a complete immersion in the conversation, with the intent to understand the speaker's perspective. Imagine you're a detective, piecing together clues from the speaker's words, tone, and body language. You're not just passively receiving information, you're actively interpreting and responding to it. Remember, people crave to be understood and heard. By practicing active listening, you're showing respect and empathy, fostering a deeper connection. Active listening is a skill that requires practice, but the rewards are worth it. It's the key to unlocking meaningful conversations and relationships, and becoming a true social magnet. Next, we explore the concept of talking their language. This is all about adapting your communication style to match the other person. It's not about mimicking or patronizing, but rather about understanding and empathizing. It's like tuning your radio to the same frequency to get a clear signal. Consider this. When you're talking to a child, you simplify your language, right? You naturally adjust to their level to make the communication effective. That's the essence of talking their language. This concept also extends to mirroring body language and tone. It's no secret that a large part of our communication is nonverbal. So, subtly reflecting someone's posture or matching their tone can help establish a deeper connection. It's like a silent nod of understanding, an unspoken sign that says, I get you. But remember, authenticity is key. It's not about imitation, but resonance. When you speak their language, you're not just communicating, you're connecting. Our sixth point focuses on creating a no criticism zone. Now, criticism, when it's not constructive, can be a major damper on communication. It's like a barrier, a wall that goes up, separating people rather than bringing them together. We all have our strengths and weaknesses, and focusing on someone's weaknesses, especially in a negative light, seldom brings about positive change. On the other hand, when we focus on strengths, when we acknowledge and appreciate them, we foster a more positive and encouraging environment. This doesn't mean ignoring problems or challenges, but rather addressing them in a way that encourages growth and improvement. It's about shifting the focus from what's wrong to how can we make it right. This approach not only opens up channels of communication but also builds trust and respect. It's about creating a safe space where people feel heard, understood, and valued. By creating a no criticism zone, you pave the way for constructive and uplifting conversations. Moving forward, let's discuss how to influence through collaboration. Collaboration is the cornerstone of any successful interaction. It allows us to work together towards a common goal, fostering a sense of camaraderie and unity. But more than that, it's a way to improve communication and build stronger relationships. Picture this: two individuals, each with their own unique perspectives and ideas, coming together to create something bigger than themselves. This collaborative process not only leads to a better end result, but it also opens up avenues for meaningful dialogue and mutual understanding. When we collaborate, we learn to appreciate the value of different viewpoints. We become more open to constructive feedback and more capable of giving it. We learn to negotiate, to compromise, and to work through disagreements in a respectful and productive manner. Influence through collaboration, and you'll find your communication skills reaching new heights. Finally, we arrive at the art of humility. This is an essential part of effective communication, often overlooked in our quest to appear competent and confident. Humility, however, doesn't mean downplaying your strengths or accomplishments. Instead, it's about acknowledging that you don't have all the answers and being open to learning from others. Humility makes you approachable. It creates a space where others feel safe to express their thoughts and ideas, knowing they won't be met with arrogance or dismissal. It's the willingness to say, "I don't know, but I'm eager to learn." And that, my friends, is a powerful magnet in any social setting. Remember, no one likes a know-it-all. But everyone appreciates someone who listens, learns, and grows. So, embrace the art of humility. Acknowledge your own shortcomings, always be open to new perspectives, and never stop learning. Master the art of humility, and you'll find others drawn to your genuine and approachable nature. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to mastering effective communication. These principles may sound simple, but they hold the power to transform your interactions and relationships. Remember, effective communication is an ongoing journey, so keep practicing and refining your skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal growth and self-improvement. As always, thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.